Happy birthday to you. Sit down. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Wait, is that?
This is our family dog.
What? You're joking, right?
Look at his little belly.
Yeah. Wait,
Are you serious? Yes, you get a dog.
Mom, thanks. I love you. I love you too. You're so sweet. I never thought we'd get a dog.
After most of the puppies left, we were able to enjoy Thornton and Harriet for several more days. We had lots of fun playing with them, and Maggie made the best use of it as well. Here's Harriet getting ready to go home with her family, getting all nice and clean. Two of the puppies from Maggie's first litter live right next door. Magic and Foxy have been watching the puppies, eagerly hoping for a chance to get a closer look. Harriet's new name is Angel, and she's gone to a family who never thought they could have a dog because of their severe allergies. So that just left us with Thornton. He's been such a fun playmate for the last couple of days. We sort of secretly hoped that we might be able to keep him, but deep down we knew that his family was still out there somewhere. Maggie does seem to miss the puppies a little bit. She'll occasionally go into their spots and look for someone to play with. But the good news is that when she can't find a puppy to play with, she comes and plays with one of us. Thornton found a new family, and now his name is Bailey.
Benjo, come! Come, Benjo! Come on, Benjo! Come on, Benjo! Yes! Oh, good sing! Sing!
It has been quite a journey. We are so grateful that we were able to have such a wonderful experience with Maggie's second litter. We're grateful that they went to such loving families and they're going to receive the best training, the best love, and the best life that is possible for them.